exercise, we're going to look at how placing rounds in the ordered mode is going to improve your ability to modify a model. In this example, we have a very simple model with just a block with a cutout, and we have different rounds on each of these edges. Now, as it stands, we need to understand how the synchronous and ordered work. If you consider the synchronous side of things as a base feature, then everything else will be rendered in the order that they were created. So as we go back to our first feature, which is a synchronous model, we can see that what we have is we have everything basically rolled forward so that we don't have the rounds. So I can pick on a face, move the steering wheel down and rotate that face, and as I rotate it I can go back to my ordered mode, which is basically rolling everything forward and everything still holds together. Now if I undo that, we can see that we can also make those edits within the while we're in the ordered mode. So we can see that this will then replay as well. Now what I want to look at is what happens if we move these rounds into synchronous. So if we move those into synchronous, we can see that they are sort of basically the same. But now if I go into this face and try and do the same edit, what we see is that that is now not allowing me to make the edit that we had before, because it cannot determine how this face is built with those different size rounds on it. It's not able to update the geometry. So as you can see, it does pay, where you can, to put those rounds into the ordered mode. If you have a situation where you only have a single face, so let's rotate this round, and we apply rounds to this end face. Those rounds are all the same size. Right. Accept that. As you can see, when the rounds are consistent across the whole face, we are able to make edits on those. So you can see from here that where you're getting into situations where you've got multiple rounds or different size rounds on a face, it can cause problems with the ability for synchronous to regenerate the face. So yeah, hopefully this will explain how some of the way synchronous works and some better modeling techniques.